Hello students, these are the next three exercises from chapter number 13 after completion of S-Shun hook topic. These are the exercises number 103, 104 and 105. Let's start with exercise number 103 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Please call Mr. Nation on the telephone and tell him that the illustrations are nearly ready. Mention that they will be delivered tomorrow. The addition to the nation's population during the year exceeded any increase in former years. Many of the people in the organization believe that the situation is so bad that the opposition faces defeat in the national election. Dr. Foster remarked, by all means, take a vacation and exercise caution to avoid any more colds. Dear sir, we are pleased to inform you that your application for admission to the College of Physicians and Surgeons has been accepted. Your references have been carefully examined and the result of our investigation has been entirely to our satisfaction. We may say that the information now in our possession reflects very much to your credit. Very truly yours. Next is exercise number 104 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear Dr. Brown, I wish to make application for the position of secretary, details of which appear in today's Tribune. I am 21 years of age. I received a good business education and obtained an honors diploma in stenography. For the past 2 years, I have acted as secretary to Dr. Brewster, who is, I think, known to you. During this time, I have carried out the usual office duties and, in addition, I have taken the doctor's special dictation. I know that my employer is satisfied with my services. I should like, however, to secure a position in my own town. Dr. Brewster has kindly given me permission to refer you to him for any information regarding my ability. If you wish me to tell you anything more to assist you in making a decision, I shall be glad to do so. Yours truly. Next is exercise number 105 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Gentlemen, your representative called on us yesterday and gave us full information regarding your publications. We were not able yesterday to make a final decision, but upon reflection, we feel that we can display to advantage certain of the titles in your catalogue. Please deliver to us at once a dozen copies each of a dictionary of education, public finance, corporation law. If you have no objection, we shall return any of these books which we find do not sell readily. Please keep us informed of any new books which are published by your organization. Very truly yours. So these are the next three exercises from the chapter number 13 शन हुक. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. शेयर, ड्रॉप अ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.